to improve their scheduling efficiency, which is basically like how good is your organization at the throughput, the speed of getting work done. There's really only three things that can ultimately impact that. First of all, and you can kind of consider them cycle times, but it's basically how fast from the time you intook it that you troubleshot and assigned it out. That's the first one. The second leg of that cycle is really how fast from the time you assign it out that there's an actual scheduled date ready to perform the repair. So that's the second one. And then the third one is how fast from that point to the actual point of completion, the lead time of the repair, is the third one. So those are the only really places that you can really manage that. And really what you should ultimately do when you're looking at that, there's different things that you can ultimately do, but your first one, your troubleshooting, your time to assign, ultimately, if that's dragging out and not incredibly quick, would look at different things like automating the troubleshooting process, ensuring that those simplistic things are troubleshot moments upon receipt and sent out. If the second bucket, the time from you giving it out to a scheduled date, really is going to rely on the relationship with the vendor and the technology in order to get that information back and forth. And that should also be relatively momentary, within an hour or two. And then the third one, the lead time, which is a much harder problem to solve, is really about, you'd have to go in and start looking about your technician throughput strength, your vendor strength in order to like jump on those metrics. But those three are ultimately the ones that will decide how your scheduling efficiency is and what you can do to jump in and go dive and try and remedy that.